Crazy with welding this because I want this. I may end up with a little bit of a gap back in here when I'm all done. But if I weld this now, then I have a problem with the way this opening is. And we already have a problem with the way this opening is. So what I'm going to do is weld the patch in and let this tag float. This fender's going to already, because it's already coming up, it's going to want to come up some more. Now our support's helping us. But when we finally get this all welded in, then we'll push this into the plane we want and weld these. And we'll shape that and weld that. Leave a little big flap of steel hanging in there, cut in your tires, you know. So, what I really want to do is a workshop. I want to do a weekend workshop where all 2 days, everything I do is the wrong thing to do, the wrong way.
We do
always do workshops that were to tell you how to do the right stuff.
We do that every weekend.
So I want to do a workshop where everything I do is the wrong way.
Yeah.
So, and let me get my
We could teach.
Break off the MIG welder.
I could assist you on that.
Yeah, we could teach that one.
Gordon's having a brazing 101 lesson.
Yeah.
It's you're going to show us how to use that nibbler.
Yeah, I'll show you.
Yeah, you can nibble the shit out of it. Nibble that grass out of it.
You need to give Todd that San Francisco welcome, man. He's struggling.
I got messed up feet. That's my problem.
Yeah, they know it.
All right.
That's all farther we'll go with that.
You want to make sure you know where all your stuff is. You don't want to be rummaging through a pile of tools either whenever you're there. So pay attention to where you're at, what you got going on. Keep your work area partially clean. Yeah, I should go lighter.
What do you need?
I should run a little lighter. Okay. Now we'll cut that. Actually, it looks like we're going to have to zip that with a wheel. You hear it squeaking?
Yep.
Not going to hold. It's really cracky. It broke from that when it did that. Now, what caused that?
Too close?
Put my tip in it. Be careful of that.
Just stay lighter.
It's kind of an acquired thing. Yeah. A little bit lighter. They said I have a really